Starbuck Nationals opening day for their car show. And let me just show you. Starting out at the end, we've got this is the trucks area. There's a Dodge in the distance. We've got an impressive lineup. This is just the back sides of a few of them. There's a lot of them here. But as you can tell, since there are sections, there's a car section, motorcycle section, and a truck section. Or trucks, motorcycle, bike, ATV, whatever. The Lamborghini you saw last night, the Lamborghini Aventador, is here along with its Raptor trailer. And it is one mean beast. They're going to be dyno pulls. I'm personally not going to put anything on the dyno. It's a little pricey, but... And besides, I don't think the Dodge is, I don't think it's quite cut out for a dyno quite yet. But, and got a few more cars, a few more trucks. But, overall, one hell of an opening day. Yep, just me and the Dodge here. Dodge has been judged. Mustang's probably been judged by now. Just waiting on to see what's going on next. So, hope everyone's having a great day.